My simple makeup look 3 ways using products from April Ipsy subscription box. MsSassyPat. The brow look 1. I'm using the Finish Touch Flawless Brow Trimmer to trim my mustache area and under my chin. Using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow, I'm going to brush my brows, and then I'm also going to touch up my brow area. I would normally get this done at the nail place, but they are closed because of the quarantine. So you have to do what you have to do. And I did this before, I just wanted to show you how I go about to do the process. And I think they look pretty good. So now I'm using my Wet n Wild eyeliner, and the tip is to use a sharpened point. So I am just coming in and just filling in the sparse areas. One eyebrow is fuller than the other one, so I just go about filling in the sparse areas. And there you go. Now I'm going to do the other side, and this is the fuller side. So this one I normally can do better than the other side, but so I'm just filling it in. Oops, sorry about the finger. And now I'm going back in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. Just making sure everything is nice and neat. And blending the eyeliner in with my brows. So now I'm going to use the e.l.f. wax pencil. And I'm going to put this over my brows. And I just think this helps helps my brows stay in place. Looks pretty good. Now I'm going to use my Victoria lip gloss. Using my ColourPop Pretty Fresh Creamy Concealer and the Makeup Forever Invisible Cover Foundation and my ColourPop brush. I just wanted to brighten up my eye area. Oh my goodness, too bright. Let me go back with the concealer. It is still too bright, so I'm going to go in with my No Filter foundation in Deep Dark. That looks a little better. I still look a little bit like Casper, but we're just going to move on with this video. That's my look number 1. Mascara, look 2. I'm now using the mascara. It's so nice and it goes on so well. I love it. So that's how it looks. I just wanted to put on a little bit. So pretty. This is look number 2. eyeshadow and eyeliner, look 3. So I'm using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. I'm going to blend it in with the ColourPop brush. And now I'm using the Miami eyeshadow palette, which is so beautiful. I'm using the eyeshadow Princess. And I'm just going to do one line on my eyelid. It is so pretty and it goes on so easily. I will do the other side now. So pretty. This is what it looks like. So now I'm going to use the Heat shadow. I'm going to brush everything in. So now I'm using the Tarte eyeliner. It is so pretty and it goes on so well. Thank you for watching my video. Peace, and I'll see you on the next one.
Oh, MsSassyPat. Wow.
You make your hair look good, get your makeup right, get you dressing nice, alright, alright. She got expo light, cook tonight, she might save your life, alright. Maybe you should tune in. Maybe you should tune in. Life hack, she got nice wigs, she got good skin, she got good hair. MsSassyPat,